Hello, so this is my game's first devlog, and I'm going to be making it so that I can switch weapons during the game. I'm going to be using the buttons X, Q, and E, and I'm going to see how it goes. Right now I'm setting up the V-Box containers that will contain the display. Here I'm just aligning them to be perpendicular with the water icon. Right here I'm just looking for the inventory switch button. It was kind of hard to find. Here I'm using the switch button as the base to make the item display. Now I just need to remove some unnecessary code. Adding them to the V-Box container, I'm using a control node to make a space between them, though this would cause an issue down the line. Now I'm just adding the slot inventory display to the global script. That's going to allow the inventory to be accessed to different scenes and scripts. It's here I encounter my first logical error. Because of the control node inside of the V-Box container, the second display node's index is actually 2 instead of 1. So all I have to do is add an extra element inside of the inventory array in between them to solve the issue. Here I just removed code I forgot to delete. Now I'll have the feature kind of working, but just in the player scene. Now I'm just connecting a signal and a second function so that every single time the inventory changes, so does the inventory display. Now because of this new system, instead of using the slot variable, we're going to use the first item in the slot inventory. Now I'm switching the spout inventory around, which should switch the spout you're using. Now I'm just adding the input using the input map. And here is where the inputs are coded in the unhandled inputs function. Here I'm changing the used spout data in the hose so that the changes will affect gameplay. Here I finally got the functionality I wanted working in the player scene. Now I just need to add the ability to change your secondary spout. Here I'm adding a display that shows your secondary spout, and then next I'm going to add a button that allows you to switch between your primary and secondary. Trying to align the button to where the display is. Now I'm having the signal from the button being pressed connect to a script so I can have it run code. And now I just need to update the sprite that displays the primary spout. And now the feature's finished. Thanks for watching and stay tuned because a new demo for my game's coming soon.